City Rona.
That time check was brought to you by EO Executive Optical. For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
Dahil sa sapat na kapital at makabagong makinarya, mas produktibo na ang bukirin ko. Nakapagpundar na rin ako ng bahay, nakapagpag-graduate pa ako ng doktor at engineer.
Gaya ni Ginoong Jodani Cara, 2024 Land Bank Ulirang Magsasaka Awardee. Kaya mo ring pagyamanin ang iyong agribusiness sa tulong ng Land Bank AgriSenso Plus. Ang Land Bank AgriSenso Plus ay programang pautang ng Land Bank para sa mga magsasaka, mangingisda, SMEs at korporasyong nakapokus sa agrikultura. Land Bank AgriSenso Plus, kaagapay sa pag-asenso.
For more details, visit the Land Bank Lending Center near you or call 02-8405-700. Your future, powered by Land Bank. Land Bank is regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and a member of PDIC and BancNet.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Palubha ng palubha ang suliraning kinakaharap ng ating planeta. Senyales na nalalapit na ang kanyang pagdating. Ang lupain ay gumugunaw sapagkat ang Panginoon ay nagalit sa lahat ng tao ng lupain at pinaparusahan ang lahat ng mga suwail. Jeremiah 10:18. Repent. Turn to Jesus today. He is the only way to heaven. Brought to you by MX3.
One last time. Spend an unforgettable. Tickets now on sale at and Ticketed outlets. Dionne Warwick. Time. Presented by Wilbros Live.
DCXL 558. DCXL News. Ang himpilan ng RMN.